Think car repairs are always expensive? Think again. What if I told you there are real practical secrets that can save you thousands of dollars in repair bills, and most drivers have no idea they exist? The truth is, mechanics don't always share everything. But in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain. I am going to uncover 11 secret tips that keep your car running like new without draining your bank account. So buckle up, because what you're about to learn could be the difference between a smooth ride and a $5,000 disaster. Let's get started. Number 1. Never skip oil changes. Think skipping an oil change saves you money. Think again. It's actually the fastest way to destroy your engine and rack up a repair bill bigger than your car's value. Your oil cools, cleans, and protects every single moving part inside your engine. But when you skip an oil change, that oil turns into sludge, causing deadly friction, overheating, and massive internal wear. What you thought was saving $50 can quickly turn into $5,000, or even $8,000 in engine rebuild costs. Fresh oil keeps everything running silky smooth, prevents breakdowns, and boosts your car's lifespan by years. Most modern vehicles recommend changing oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, but this can vary depending on the type of oil used and your driving habits. In severe driving condition, changing oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is safer. Number 2. Rotate your tires and check alignment. Religiously? Tires are more than just rubber. They're your car's foundation. When you neglect to rotate them every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, you cause uneven wear that destroys not just your tires, but your suspension, your steering, and even your transmission on AWD vehicles. Bad tire wear can force your car out of alignment, leading to poor handling and skyrocketing repair bills. Plus, worn-out tires kill your gas mileage. Maintenance tip. It is recommended to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Wheel alignments should be checked annually or whenever you hit a large pothole. Number 3. Flush your fluids. Your car's fluids are like its blood, and dirty blood can destroy organs fast. Waiting until your transmission, brakes, or cooling system feels bad to change fluids is a trap that costs people thousands every year. Regular fluid flushes are cheap compared to major component failures. A $150 transmission flush could literally save you from a $5,000 rebuild. And it's not just about cost. Clean fluids mean better performance, smoother shifting, better braking, and longer overall car life. Number 4. Learn to diagnose with a scan tool. Many car owners panic when they see the check engine light, assuming the worst. Mechanics often charge $100 plus just to read the code, even if it's something minor. A simple OBD2 scanner, costing under $50, can pull the error codes instantly. This lets you research the problem yourself, sometimes revealing easy fixes like tightening a loose gas cap. Even if the issue is bigger, you'll walk into the repair shop informed and much harder to upsell. DIY diagnosis also builds your confidence and saves countless unnecessary trips to the mechanic. Over time, catching and solving small problems early can easily save you thousands. Number 5. Always fix small oil leaks immediately. An oil leak might seem minor, especially if you only see a few drops, but oil leaks tend to worsen with heat cycles and vibration, eventually damaging seals, hoses, and belts nearby. Leaking oil can even degrade rubber parts, leading to expensive repairs like a failed timing belt. Plus, a severe oil leak could cause low oil levels, resulting in engine seizure, which is a $5,000 plus disaster. It's always cheaper to replace a gasket or seal early rather than deal with major engine repairs later. Don't ignore small oil leaks. They are ticking time bombs for your engine's health. Number 6. Change spark plugs and coils on time. Old spark plugs and weak ignition coils create engine misfires, poor acceleration, and bad gas mileage. More dangerously, They can lead to unburned fuel reaching the catalytic converter, causing it to overheat and fail. Replacing a catalytic converter can cost over $1,000, compared to just $100 to $200 for spark plugs and coils. Regularly replacing these inexpensive parts preserves your entire engine's health and save your wallet. Number 7. Clean your battery terminals regularly. Your car's battery isn't just a startup device, it's the heart of your electrical system. Corroded terminals can ruin your battery, fry your alternator, and even cause random electronic failures. But the good news is, you can prevent all of that with a simple baking soda and water mixture. Regularly cleaning terminals and applying dielectric grease prevents them from corrosion. It's a $5 maintenance tip that saves hundreds in electrical system repairs. A few minutes of terminal care can add years to your battery and charging system's lifespan. Number 8. Change air filters frequently. Most drivers completely forget about their engine air filter, but ignoring it is like making your car run a marathon while breathing through a straw. Your engine needs massive amounts of clean air to burn fuel efficiently. When that filter gets clogged with dust, dirt, and debris, your engine struggles to breathe, and that stress kills your gas mileage, reduces your horsepower, and even shortens your engine's lifespan. But the good news is, replacing an engine air filter is cheap, usually $20 to $30, and takes 5 minutes to install. But if you ignore to replace it, it may completely destroy your engine. Bonus tip: engine air filters should be checked every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on conditions. Cabin filters should be checked even sooner if you drive in dusty areas. Number 9. Tighten and check suspension components. Loose suspension. Parts don't just cause clunks and poor handling, they wear out faster due to extra movement. A loose bolt on a sway bar link can eventually lead to snapped control arms or broken ball joints. Repairs for a collapsed suspension system can cost thousands if not caught early. During oil changes or tire rotations, it's wise to ask the mechanic to check and tighten major suspension bolts. Catching small looseness early saves expensive replacement of entire components. Number 10. Always use OEM or top-tier aftermarket parts. Saving $30 on a cheap part sounds smart until that part fails and wipes out your entire engine. OEM parts, or quality aftermarket parts from trusted brands, are designed to work perfectly with your car. They're tested, guaranteed, and built to last. On the other hand, cheap knockoffs wear out fast, don't fit right, and can cause serious damage to other components. Imagine using a bargain bin timing belt that snaps and destroys your engine's valves. That's a $3,000 mistake for saving a few bucks. Trust me, invest in quality parts now, and you'll keep your ride and your wallet safe long-term. Number 11. Keep undercarriage clean in winter. Salt used on roads during winter sticks to your car's undercarriage and causes rust. Over time, it eats away at brake lines, fuel lines, suspension parts, and even the frame. Rust repairs are notoriously expensive, and sometimes not even repairable if structural. Car washes often offer an undercarriage spray for just a few extra dollars. It's worth it. Washing your car weekly during winter is a small investment that saves thousands in rust-related repairs. Prevention is far better than trying to fix salt damage later. That's all for this video. These secrets might seem small, but trust me, over the years, they add up to serious money saved. Don't wait for disaster to hit your wallet. Stay proactive, stay smart, and you'll keep your car and your savings account in top shape.